Introducing the 2018 Ford Transit. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this sleek and modern Transit. This comfortable, convenient wagon can seat between 2 and 15 passengers and offers a host of options to choose from, so you can adapt it perfectly to meet your needs. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, backup camera, rear-wheel drive, stability control, traction control, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, conventional spare tire. Customized comfort blends perfectly with cargo capacity in this sleek Transit. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.